Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I have a video that is an unboxing, and I have here today a box that I received from the Netherlands, from a store that I love. There are some stores that I love in the Netherlands, and this box came from Akkerman, Amsterdam, and that store, it is a store that they have been very nice to me. They have made some Caveco special editions that they sent to me for review for free, so that was nice. They also could get me a black nib for a Montegrappa that I needed, and they also helped me with some items from Gateland Leather to avoid international shipping. So they are really helpful and nice. And when I saw that they had these pens that I'm going to show you, I went there and bought them from them. So this is not kind of a gift from them, it is a purchase that I made because I already know and trust the store. So let's see what I have here. So let me just cover up a little bit the personal information there beneath the boxes. Let me just cover them. So I have here two boxes, as you can see, and beneath there is just the invoice with some personal information that I will keep not public. And if you saw my video that I made that was called One of Each Please, you can see that you may guess which pens I have inside. If you didn't check already oh, sorry, I messed here with the exposure. So if you didn't guess by now, if you didn't see the description of the video, you'll guess now which pens I have here. So I bought the Lamy Ion. This color is called olive silver. I don't know why olive, but it is a silver colored pen with a fine nib, guess with a no converter, as regular. Again, the cap, that it doesn't make really a noise like that, but it rotates freely. That annoys lots of people. Okay, and the leaflet, I always love to see these leaflets with lots of photos. And okay, I always try to see which pens are there, but well, let's forget about it. Sorry, I get really distracted easily. And it has a cartridge, and that's it, nothing beneath. I will put maybe this leaflet underneath and close it. And there is also another one, the same thing here, and this one is, again, this one has this sticker, this not sticker, this paper, also with simple cartridge, I guess with no converter, which is kind of sad in my opinion, but that's how it goes. I wanted to see, it doesn't say anything about it, about the date. I need to check them better. So the two cartridges and two pens, one is blue with a medium nib, which was what was available, and the other one is silver with a fine nib, which is my favorite. Let me just check that there is no converter inside. Of course, there isn't. So this video, and it makes me really happy, completes my collection of Lamy Ion fountain pens. And let me put all them together. I'm not completely sure of the years they were made. I need to be sure. I think the blue is from 2023 and the olive silver from 2021, but I'm not sure. I only know that the only version that is now made, or at least widely available in stores, is the Ion Black. But all these are the 5 that were ever made. So I just hope they keep making them, and I'm hoping for an orange one, a light blue one, a light green, many other stuff. I really hope they will make them. I like this design. I think I already explained it. Maybe I explained it in the other video that I made when I received the red one. But I'll just show you that I like the pen, mostly because it is a solid pen. It's all metal, all aluminum. It's very well made, in my opinion. The only thing that annoys some people is the way that the cap rotates, but that's not a problem to me. I really like the pen. It has a little scratch there, but it's not even a scratch. It's like a stain, a linear stain. I like these anodized aluminum pens. They are heavy enough, but at the same time light enough. They write really well. They are simple. They are cartridge converter pens. They are big. So I like it. They have metal section. Some people don't like it. I don't really. It doesn't really make any difference to me. In my opinion, I told that before, but I will show it again because it may make sense to you. I like the way, the design. I like some designs of Lamy, and I like how I find this design kind of in the middle between the Lamy CP1, which has a similar kind of knee, but not the same. That one is more rounded. I already made a review of the Ion, so you can check it on my channel. But you can see the nib is not exactly the same, although they are interchangeable. You can just change them and use them in both pens, but it has a slightly different shape. So, but the clip reminds me of these. The shape of this pen reminds me of the Lamy 2000. This is Lamy 2000 in steel, and in my opinion, this pen is kind of between both those pens. In this case, this is steel, this is steel, this is aluminum, so not that comparable in that way, but it has the same overall shape, the same kind of clip. This has more straight lines than curve, but at the same time it's more curvy at the clip. It's kind of the opposite. This one has a very straight clip, as the Lamy CP1, but then it is very rounded, and this one is more straight. And the section has a kind of same shape, but the nib is more similar to the CP1. The section is not, and the CP1 is actually much more cylindrical, just plain. So this really is in the middle, in my opinion, because this is rounded, this is cylindrical, this is kind of rounded cylindrical. So it's really fun. So I guess it's enough to be talking about this. I bought this from Akkerman, Amsterdam. I'm very happy. I like doing business with them. Whenever it is a collaboration with the channel, or it's just me buying new pens for my own collection. So I really like to deal with them. And so here we have the complete collection of the Lamy Ion. If you ever see that a new Lamy Ion is released and I don't talk about it on my channel, please let me know, because I want to have them. Now they are 5, they are not that inexpensive, they are around 70 euros, at least that's what's written there. I don't think I paid that much but that's the regular retail price. No, 59. Yes, I think that was what I paid. The 70 was Swiss francs. So in euros, that's 59. So it's not that expensive, not that inexpensive. There is quite already some money here, but I like them, and if there are more to come, I really want to have them too. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the overview of this model, and I really enjoyed these pens. So this is all for today. I hope to meet you soon here on the channel. Bye.